Today I'll be reviewing this Ryobi 1700 PSI pressure washer. We're going to pressure wash the engine bay on the Civic and pressure wash the driveway. Let's get started. What's going on, everybody? So today I'm going to be reviewing this 1700 PSI pressure washer from Ryobi. It's about $115 on eBay. I'll put a link in the description to this one. Basically, I'm going to pressure wash and clean all of this area, and then we'll pressure wash and clean the engine bay on the Civic. But I'm going to pressure wash around this Legend of Zelda mat, and then we'll remove it to see how well it does. I mean, it's not too terribly bad up here, but we do have some oil stains. I don't think those will come up with this. I'll have to get some actual concrete cleaner for that. But I'm going to go ahead and do it over here with this rug here as well. Clean it and then pull it away, see how dirty it was before. This pressure washer, you want to have the hose turned on prior to turning the unit on, and you'll want to cycle some water through it like this, getting any air pockets out prior to turning it on, because that can damage the pump if you don't do that. Now we're just using a 45-degree tip, I believe, and I'm basically just going to turn it on. Makes that noise, but whenever you pull the trigger, that's when it'll continue making that noise. So I'm going to go ahead and pressure wash some of this stuff, and we'll see how good it works, because this is something that a lot of car guys could use to degrease parts and stuff like that. They make a purple power solution that goes into the soap area, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and try it out. Now, before washing your engine bay, one of the things you're going to want to do is to put some plastic or something over your distributor cap, because if that gets wet, it can cause misfire issues. It'll also cause misfire issues at the fuel injector clips, but I have compressed air, so I can blow those out, and any connectors. So try to stay away from them when you're pressure washing. But I'm going to go ahead and pressure wash this engine bay, mostly just the engine, but I'll do the whole bay, because once I pressure wash the engine, whatever comes off the engine is going to get on the bay. So we're going to see how good this works. Definitely made it clean, and I'm really impressed with it. So after this, I like to keep the engine running. Actually, it's one of the things I forgot to mention. I like to keep the engine running when pressure washing, because the heat will kind of evaporate it quicker. But if it does have any issues, just make sure to check your connectors, blow them out, and make sure there's nothing in there like water, and then it should be good to go. But I like to start it up afterwards, let it run, let it get warm. So I'll do that, and then we'll move the car. Well, now that it's warmed up enough, it's still running really good, so there's no issues, no water and things that shouldn't be. So I'm going to go ahead and move this back, and then we can get started pressure washing the driveway. and you can already see how good it's working. It's pulling up a lot of the oil stains, but not all of them, but that's because I didn't scrub with any kind of degreaser or anything like that. This thing definitely works pretty well, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some more, speed it up for you guys, and we'll see how it looks whenever I'm finished. Alright, as you can see, it's a lot better than it was before, but we do still have some staining, but we're going to get some muriatic acid for that and use the scrub brush that we got from Walmart. We'll scrub it in, not right now, not in this video, but I did want to show you how good it works. Definitely looks better than before, but we still have this one spot up here. As you can see, recently we've done this in the past, so it's a lighter color here, but I'm going to go ahead and pressure wash this area. And we'll lift the rug up and we'll see how it looks underneath after we're done pressure washing. As you can see, there's a design now from where the rug used to be. But now I'm gonna go ahead and pressure wash that. Well, I definitely say that Ryobi pressure washer is worth the $114 to $115 on eBay. Now you can get it at Home Depot, but it's like $250. So I recommend it because it's quiet and it's powerful. But like I said, I'm not sponsored by Ryobi or any pressure washing company or anything like that. But I did leave a link in the description of the one that we have here. So also ended up dyeing the carpet using RIT dye. That video will be on the Texas Honda channel, so go subscribe there. Link will be in the description below. Click on the bell icon, that way you get notified of every upload, because the video will be coming out real soon. So definitely stay tuned to that. Next on the list is some racing seats. I might go ahead and dye them, but I'm not sure yet. But thanks for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a Merry Christmas and stay safe this holiday. So I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.